Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing how I wash my type 4 short natural hair. So stay tuned. So now I just have like a lot of buildup and gel and stuff in my hair. So I'm just rinsing that out really well. Just getting my hair thoroughly wet. And because I'm in the sink, I'm making sure to try to run my hands through my hair and use this time to basically try to detangle and run my fingers through my hair. So once I rinse it out, then I go in with a moisturizing shampoo. Today I'm using Herbal Essences Hello Hydration, and I always use a moisturizing shampoo every time I wash my hair. It's just better for me because I'm low porosity and I tend to have very dry hair. So I'm going in with that, and it sets up really well, but it doesn't leave your hair stripped or anything like that. It still feels very moisturized. And I'm making sure to use the pads of my fingertips, not my actual nails, to scrub my scalp. And I'm just using my fingers to get the excess dirt and build up off of there. When I'm rinsing my hair out, I try to make sure to always keep my hands at the root of my scalp and not running my hands through my actual hair strands and moving them around and zhuzhing them, because that's the wrong way to do it. Your hair is going to get tangled. And so we're detangling the entire time we're doing our hair. So because my head is down, I'm putting my hands at the top of my hair, making sure the shampoo is getting in the middle, and then I'm rinsing it out head down, and then I'm running my hands one direction with my hair going towards the sink. So just running my hands through like that. And then I'm using the t-shirt to dry my hair because it catches a lot of water. It's just better than a towel. It doesn't snag your hair, etc., etc. Okay, so for conditioner, I'm using the matching conditioner. I don't tend to use expensive shampoos and conditioners just because to me they're all like not the same, but it doesn't make a big difference whether it costs $10 or $3-4. It doesn't make a difference. Like I said, I try to just use very moisturizing shampoos and conditioners, and my conditioner has to be more on the thin side but still moisturizing. That way I can detangle. So I thoroughly start at the ends of my hair when I add the conditioner, just applying it mostly to the ends, and then I'll go through and put a little extra and run my hands through my actual hair. So at this point, I start to section off like bigger chunks of my hair just to get the conditioner all the way through. And like I said, this is a more thinner but very moisturizing conditioner, so I'm just using it as a detangler as well. So this is the part where I thoroughly detangle my hair. So I'm going through and sectioning my hair with my hands, and you notice I'm not using any tools. So I'm just going through and detangling my hair, running my fingers through it, each part, and making sure to get every part thoroughly detangled. So by the time I actually finish, conditioning my hair, my hands are able to be ran all the way through my hair. And once I rinse my hair out, you see at the end of me conditioning, I'm running my hands forward up. So once I detangle, I'm running my hands going towards the top of my head because I know I'm about to put my head down, and I don't want to brush my hair into going back and then have to flip it back over, because then it may just detangle. It may just, cancel out all the work we just did. So just like I just explained, I'm going to put my head down, and I already finger combed my hair into that direction going towards the top. So it's no issue when I go to wash my hair out. So I'm not zhuzhing my hair again. I'm literally just using my hands to keep my hair in the downward direction and make sure it stays detangled, and I'm running my hands through my hair, as I'm doing this and getting all the product and stuff out of my hair. So for deep conditioner today, I'm going with the Maui Moisture Volcanic Ash. I'm going to mix that with the Aussie Moist deep conditioner 3-minute miracle, and then I just added a little olive oil. So I wanted to use the volcanic ash because it's more of a like build up buster type of thing. It thoroughly cleanses your hair, and it gets build up off your scalp. And like I said, I had a lot of gel and product left on my hair, so I wanted to make sure all of that was out of my hair. And for deep conditioner, I do not just, put it on my ends like I do the conditioner. I take my time and thoroughly part my hair from the back to the front and detangle my hair as I'm adding it, and I thoroughly coat my strands. And I make sure that my ends get a lot of love as well as my roots, so I don't focus on just one part. So I'm trying to make sure that I get that thoroughly all over my head, and it's like very beneficial for me. And then I go through and then make sure I put it on my ends and my actual edges. So my hair is still detangled because I went through and basically detangled as I went. And my hair felt a little dry, so I wanted to add a little more olive oil, that's all. And then in order to deep condition my hair, I'm going to do this about 3 to 5 minutes. I'm going to take that t-shirt that I actually used to dry my hair off, and I'm going to put it in a microwave for 30 seconds, sometimes a minute. And I'm going to put the t-shirt back on my head because the water is super hot on it now. And I'm going to put a plastic cap over top of it, and that's going to, serve as my heat source. So after about 5 minutes, you can see that, got that product in and everything, and my hair felt super soft, and it felt very, very clean when I got done. And like I said again, I finger comb my hair in the direction going up, so when I flip my head over, put it in the opposite direction and risk getting tangled up again. So I'm just using that t-shirt to, get the excess water out of my hair. And this is how it turned out. As you can see, my hair is very detangled. I'm showing myself running my hands through it as my hair is like just a little damp. There's no buildup or anything like that. And I know a lot of people have issues with washing their hair in the sink because they can't get their product all the way through, and they feel like they end up leaving things. But if you follow this method, it works really well. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.